What's up, everybody? So today we're going to go over a couple exercises for hybrid picking. Hybrid picking is one of my favorite techniques to do. I love it, and I'm always working on trying to get better at it. One of the things I found helpful when I was first learning how to do it was this very simple exercise, taking our E minor scale. We're thinking about pentatonic, this would be like where our box 3 is at. Right? And basically hitting different accent notes while going back and forth on a different lick. So an example of that would be something like this. All I'm doing is going back and forth between the 7th fret and the 5th fret. Down, up, down. And then I'm catching the 4th note of the sequence with my middle finger. So it's down, up, down, middle, down, up, down, middle, down, up, down, middle, down, up, down, middle. Right? So 7, 5, 7, 5 on the D string with my middle finger. 7, 5, 7, 5 on the A string again. 7 on the D string. 7, 5, 7 again on the A string, catching 4 on the G string. 7, 5, 7, 7th fret on the G string. Here's what it sounds like all together. I like grooving with it. It's also good to work on sprinting with it. So like down, up, down really fast and catching that note. Work on one. So work on one before moving it around. So just working on 7, 5, 7, 5, and getting that nice and fast, and then start working on moving around that accent note. Does that sound like with distortion? Similar to all exercises, you can take the DNA of this and mix it up as well. So instead of just going, accent on 5, accent on 7, accent on 4, accenting on 7, you can, so you can kind of mix it up. You can like go to the highest, go to the lowest accent, then go to the second highest, second lowest. You want to work on sprinting with it as well. With distortion. Another thing I like to do with hybrid picking is to use it to play rhythm. One of the ways I learned how to do that was by playing this working man blues inspired riff. So I'm going to basically just go down on the A string, use my middle finger and my ring finger to go up on the 5th fret D string and G string. So downstroke with the pick, up with the middle and the ring finger on the 5th fret. After that, I hammer on to the 6th fret with my middle finger on the left hand. Then I hit a palm muted, kind of a dead and open A, and then I catch the 7th fret on the D and the G. Here's what it sounds like at speed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson on hybrid picking. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.